Hello everyone and welcome to UnWine with Janet. Today I have an extra special bonus recipe for you. I call it Calypso Carrot Coleslaw. It's the perfect accompaniment to my oxtail recipe. And what's great about this side dish is it's refreshing, it's quick, and it's easy to make. And it won't require you to turn on your stove. After trying this dish, your taste bud will dance to the tropical rhythm of the island. Well, enough said. Come let me show you how we do it. Welcome back. This is going to be the simplest coleslaw that you've ever made. All you need is a bowl of shredded carrot, a few diced pineapple, a little brown sugar, some mayonnaise, some pineapple juice, and that pineapple juice I got from the can, and a few raisins. And don't worry, because all the measurements as well as the method will be in the description below. In order to get the correct size shredded carrot, I use this side of the grater. I find that when I use this side, it has the perfect texture and it's not too soft. So you'll get that nice crunchy bite instead of that soggy watery taste in the end. And for my pineapple pieces, I bought the canned pineapple from the store and I'm just cutting the pieces into smaller halves. If you prefer the chunky size, then you can do that as well. Now you see how simple and easy it is. Now all we have to do is just combine everything together. So here I'm adding my raisin and brown sugar. If you want to use another sweetener like honey or agave, you can. And then this is mayonnaise. And I'm adding a little bit and I'm leaving some back in there just in case I might need it. I don't want to overdo it. And then I'm just adding my pineapple chunks. After which I will add a little of the pineapple juice at a time. The aim for this coleslaw is to get it to the perfect moisture. You don't want to put too much liquid because it will become too soggy. So I usually just add a little of the liquid and just a little of the mayo and then test a little at a time until you get that perfect moisture and consistency. And after you're done, just cover and refrigerate it until dinner time. It tastes a lot better when it's chilled. It's very refreshing. So go ahead and give it a try and let me know how it turned out. Leave your comments in the comment box. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's video. What good? Till we see you next time, alright?
At sundown, come down, think about where we are. It's a long way up to everything that we want.